Yo fam, what's happening? It's your boy BZ, and I'm back with a brand new video. And today we're targeting probably the most popular topic in the world right now: AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can help you cook, sleep, write better, text your wife, get you money, trade, and everyone has done it. If you know, I've made so many videos talking about how I don't believe in AI trading. I don't believe in all this ChatGPT trading strategy for pocket option. I believe it's all ass. But today I'm showing you that pocket option added an AI trading feature right between the buy and sell button that automatically enters into a trade. You don't have to do anything. All you got to do is click a button. Now, this feels a little sus coming from pocket option, in my opinion, because you're telling people to just trust you, the platform, to enter into a trade for them that's going to be profitable. That is kind of sus. But you know me, I want to try it. I want to see what it's about, if you can make some money with it, or you're just going to blow your account. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's get right into it. And as I was saying to start, over the weekend, I saw this new little thing that they just added to pocket option. And I think that is something that has been buzzing in the industry for a minute right now. I mean, you've seen ads about AI and how to get people make money. And you know my thoughts on that. I have a video talking about my thoughts on all of this ChatGPT trading strategies and how I feel like they're absolutely useless. So now seeing pocket option making a move where they are adding an AI trading button in between the buy and sell, really, I don't really know what they're trying to do here, but let's get into it. I'm gonna show you just what it looks like. So for example, you can see here, I'm on British pounds, Australian dollars, and you can see right in the middle here, AI trading. So let's just take a look at it together. You can see that you can enable and disable it anytime in the settings. It's not a problem. Let's see how this shit works, and let's see how would this pocket option use this? Is this something for traders to make money, or is this a way for them to take money away from traders? Because right now you're taking away all of the things that makes you a trader, the analysis, everything, and this thing is doing it for you. And I'm thinking, is it good for pocket option to have an AI trading bot or whatever this is? I have no idea what this is. So it's gonna help traders trade and make traders money, and they give it out for free? I don't know. So let's just get into it. So all you do is you click on AI trading and you click on open trade. So for example, here we see you open a trade for 1 minute for 1,341. And I think we're gonna go a couple of trades. We're gonna, just to be sure, I'm gonna enter about 5 to 6 trades. Roughly about the same amount, but that was I shouldn't have entered that 4,000. That's ridiculous. I should have changed mine. Because I just saw it. God damn. All right. I take a huge loss, $1,300, bro. All for a stupid thing. All right. So I'm gonna leave this open so we can see. So 18 seconds, first trade, huge miss. Huge miss, right? Don't show us this message anymore. First trade is a huge miss. So I think we're gonna go 10 trades. Let's go 10 trades for $1 on this. I didn't switch. And let's see. So first of all, in my mind, when I'm looking at this chart right now, first thing I'm thinking is market is moving downwards. I'll be looking for a point to enter into a call right here. So when we hit AI trading, what does it enter? It enters into a call, a sell right there. And that is not bad. You could have made a better choice with my 1,300. So we're just gonna enter 10 trades. I think I'm gonna open different pairs. I'm gonna open some OTC pairs as well, just to kind of see how it works on different pairs. So we've got Euro USD. So we're gonna go to Australian dollar CHF, which is Swiss francs, and we're just gonna hit Same here. We're gonna go to Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. We're gonna do the same. And we're gonna do the same for Australian dollar USD, OTC pair. And we're gonna do the same for Euro USD. Just hit AI trade. Kind of hitting on the same. So as you can see, and we're going to do the same for CAD, which we've already done before. So we're just going to wait for all of that. We can see right here, we are not in the money. We are in the money on 2 of those. So it doesn't really show. I thought this was going to be a little bit more analysis, not just like automatically entering into a trade. I thought maybe there'll be a little bit more than that to see why the AI is entering into that trade. I would have loved to see that. That would have been a lot more, comfortable, I think, for most traders to even use this service, because right now it just feels like it's random. Because, I mean, okay, here it does seem like entering into a call would be a bad decision, but at least with this candles, you probably want to wait a little bit and enter into a sell at any point here. But right now, based on everything that we have with one more trade that's still out of the money here, as you can see, it also chooses the time frame because we were entering 1 minute, but it chose to enter for what's the time? For 3 minutes right here. So it chooses not only the time, but it also enters into a trade. So it finds what time frame it feels like it's comfortable, whether it thinks that you're going to have a profit, and then it chooses that time frame regardless of what time that you have up here. So that's also, I think, kind of nice, but I would like for it to show a little bit more when you're entering into a trade, so you can see it that it's entering for 3 minutes regardless of what chart that you have. So right now we've done a little bit of 1 minute trades, some 3 minutes. We've been able to get some out of that, but I don't know. So let's just take a quick look at how things are going. So if we look here, apart from our big $1,300 loss, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. 1, 2, 3 of them was a loss, which is kind of captivating, but I'm still a little bit skeptical. So I think we're going to do this again, but let's change our time frame to 3 minutes. Oh no, let's leave it at 1 minute so we can get more samples. All right, let's now increase our bank a little bit. Let's say we're going $10. We're going to do the same. We're just going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just going to run 6 of them. We're going to do AI trading on all of them. So let's go $10. And in Euro USD, we'll go with another $10 right there. And Australian USD, we'll do the same. Just going to go across. As you can see, some of them are happening a little faster because you can see that the time frame on here is about, I think, 5 seconds. So that is, I think, 6. So you can see here it's a little bit faster. How is the time frame here? 30 seconds left. I think it's about 1 minute. Here we can see a longer with 1 minute 24 left. I'm trying to find it. We can see M1 here, 5 seconds here. This is the close I'm looking for. Opened M1 right here. 30 seconds on here. 1 minute on here. And here we've got 2 minutes. So we upped the ante a little bit, added $10, and trying to see if we'll see a little bit of results. Right now, we're 2 for 2 on OTC. We were able to take profits about $9 on 2 of them, but you know. So waiting for both trades. One just closed in profit, and another one just waiting for it. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. It looks good. It looks in the money. It looks in the money. It looks in the money. So right here, this is crazy. Because right here we have 2 losses. And the others are all wins. This is crazy. This is crazy. I don't know if my risk tolerance, if I'm willing to take a little bit more risk. But I'll do it for you guys. I'll do it for you guys. Let's go big bucks. Let's go $100. So that's what, about $600 we're gonna spend. Let's go. So AI, let's see. $10, you did a great job. We had only 2 losses. Let's put our money where our mouth is, okay? So let's go. I'm a little worried because I already like lost 1,300. So let's see how you're gonna do in this situation. All right. So we entered into one trade for 1 minute, another for a minute, 30 seconds right here. I think one of them already came back, a loss. It's a minus $100. Okay. Profit, loss. So that's loss, profit, loss. Still got a couple of seconds left on each of this. One of them obviously is in the money, which is British pounds, Australian dollars right there. So with a couple of seconds left, right here, 36 seconds to be precise. And right here, there's no way this is pulling back up to get profit. I mean, no way. All right. So that would be what, 1, 2, 3 out of 6. No, this is definitely not ending. This might end in profit though, but 75%. So 5. So we upped the ante up to $100, and you know, we lost what, 100, 200, 300, $300. So you can see for yourself, and you can make the decision for yourself. If you feel like the AI trading is something that you've tried, I want to know in the comments down below. Let me know. It's a new feature that's been added, and it's really good because I think that this is really an update where you're gonna see who are the real traders or not on Pocket Option, because I've checked, and when you go to your demo account, you do not get that feature. So any trader from now on, from September, who's trading on demo, you will know for sure, because this AI trading is not available there. So for sure, you're going to be able to know who's really trading off of their real account and who isn't. So I don't really know how to feel about this. Honestly, it did get some win, but I think it's just like, you know, just throwing darts blindly at a chart. And I felt like I probably would have entered a little bit better. But at the same time, when we were doing the $10 trades, it really did feel like, you know, he had like 4 wins and only 2 misses. So if you're going only off of that, but when we started to go a little bit more with $100, I don't feel comfortable going with like 6 bands just to see if this is good or not. But I'll see if I can, you know, put that to test, and maybe we'll make another video about it. So it's a new feature, Pocket Option AI trading. I want to know what you guys think about this. So definitely, you know, leave your thoughts in the comments. And if you guys have any other ideas of what you want to see next on the video, please leave comments. So that's it for today. We tested the AI trading. I have a little bit of mixed feeling about it. I felt like it did better on the $10 trades. On the $1 trades, it was kind of half. But on $100 trades, obviously we saw 4 misses and only 2 wins. Just to be sure, 3. So we had 4 misses and only 2 wins. So thank you guys for joining me for another Busy Trade video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button so you know when a new video drops. It's been your boy Busy, and out.